Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create.
I had quite a bit of leftover paint here on my parchment paper from when I did the pumpkin pour, and I don't want to waste it. So this is the way the pumpkin is looking right now. And I want to do something with this other paint, and I think that what I'm going to try to do is do some tile coasters. And all I have to do is dip them in the leftover paint, and I'll get a unique design on each one, so they will be nice and fall looking. So I'm just going to move some of the paint around a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of white and then just dip the tile down into it and pull it straight up, and got a kind of unique looking design. And then when I added heat, I started getting lacing from the white, and I just want to go around the edges and make sure that they're covered too. And I try to match up the color that's on the top of the tile when it goes over the side, and I just wanted to stretch a little bit on that purple. There's a pop of color in there that looks really nice. So we'll start over here, add a little bit of white there, and my camera quit. So this is the third one, and I actually added some purple into the paint for dipping this one in. It really looks cool. I really like that one. So we're going to try it again. Add a little purple and a little bit of white, and then dip it. And got one side, so I dipped it again for the other side. And this one is really cool. Just looks like fall looking flowers or leaves, whatever. I like it. So just touching up the sides. And I still have quite a bit of paint here. So what I do have is some of these 3x3 little boards. And I'm just going to dip them in there, touch them up a little bit, make sure they have paint around the side. And these will be great for magnets. All these will get a coat of resin once they are good and dried. And I got a show coming up in November, and I think these will be perfect items to take to that. So these are really, really unique, pretty floral looking design. And we got one more to go. We'll add a little bit of purple and some white, and boom. Just touch up wherever there needs to be a little bit more paint. And around the sides. I like to make sure the sides of these little boards are covered for the magnets, and then when I do the resin, I make sure the resin goes over the side as well, so it seals them. And then we'll put magnets on the back, and we'll put cork on the back of the coasters, and they'll be all set to go. And here they are dried. I have not put resin on them yet, but they are looking nice. And give you a close-up of each one. I really like the colors. I'd like a little bit more purple in there, but I think that it turned out nice. This next one is really cool with all the lacing on it. I like that. How it's sealed up with the white. And this final one is my favorite one of all. This is the one that I double dipped, and it looks really cool. And then I have the 3 magnets to show you, but I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please click like and share. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Ring that bell so you get notified when I upload future videos. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next creative